Guys, I am really excited to do this, I guess, unboxing with you. This is the last of my Christmas gift puzzles. It's called OddPieces is the name of the company. It's a 1,000-piece puzzle. I have my puzzle board here. And the premise of this is that the picture that's on the box is, I believe, the moment before the picture that you end up creating. So they've got an example here that you can't quite see of a person sort of standing on something, and then their arm moves. So the picture on the box is the arm in this position, and then the actual picture is the person with their arm in this position. So what you're getting is the moment that's on here, that's been captured in this picture, is actually the moment before whatever happens next. So that's going to be quite a challenge. And there's quite a bit happening in here in the picture. The name of this one is called Shutterbug. So the tagline here is build to find out what happens. So let's get tucked into unboxing this. It's a thin plastic, but I will go through all of the cutting. Yay! I'm so excited. And let's see what's inside the box. The website that it lists here is oddpieces.com. I think I've been led to believe it's a Canadian company. Alrighty, so we have this envelope. Then we have okay, so this is the picture that's on the box, I believe. I look at it closely. Yes, so this is exactly the picture that's on the front of the box. So that's one guide that we have. And then what's this? Oh, it's a second one. So we have two, I guess, in case someone else is working with you, you can each have a copy of the guide map, they call it. So this is the moment before the picture that's going to be on the pieces. And then we have the bag of pieces. And then this envelope says, warning, do not open until after you complete the puzzle. If you open it too soon, you'll ruin the surprise. So we will put that back in the box. Got our silica. And now we're going to go through the Open Me. Let's see what we have. So we have a How It Works card with a list of the other puzzles. So Snack Attack, Glitch, Shutterbug, which is the one we have, Beyond the Kelp, Turbo 3000, and Astro Gastro. Interesting. So Shutterbug, the story is a great mysterious monument attracts travelers from all over the world. Does watering it really bring luck? And why is no one allowed to photograph it? Oh, interesting. So step one is read the comic. Okay, so this is the This is the comic, I guess. Let's have a look here. Oh, yes, it's like a comic book. So that'll be part of the story. And step 2 is build the puzzle. Step 3 is uncover the mystery. So it says as more and more of the puzzle image gets revealed, go through the checklist to find the hidden clues. And we have, here we go, the checklist for the hidden clues. Oh, and this is the artist that created this image. Marvelous. So we'll go through the checklist as we build the puzzle. And then once the puzzle is built, we open the secret envelope, which is this one here. What story will the envelope reveal? You'll have to find out for yourself. Well, that's very exciting. So, well, actually, let's keep this out. And then what is it? Oh, stickers. They have the Shutterbug sticker pack. That's a really nice touch. I love a tactile. These are very sort of high quality, very smooth stickers. Marvelous. So we'll put these 2 pieces back in the envelope. Oh, okay. So these prompts are the quintuplets woke up to the city coming alive. So I'm guessing we're looking for some quintuplets in there. Abracadabra. Whoa, even my rabbit is shocked. I guess we'll find a shocked rabbit as well. Very good. I won't read the comic. I will let you discover all of that lovely stuff for yourself. Now we have the puzzle piece bag. Are you guys ready? Let's put away these out of the way. We're going to do the puzzle piece dump. Oh, I am really looking forward to tucking into this. And I believe I will tuck into some of it on some lives later this week. So wish me luck.